So here we have, कहते हैं सबर का फल मीठा होता है, and here we have you.
Hi
Welcome to.
everyone watching me here at Chitkara University's page. A huge hello to everyone. And मैं काफी time से I'm reading all the comments and I'm right here, but I think there was some issue you couldn't take me online.
I'm so sorry for that, but actually there are too many requests that people are so excited to see you. And
thank you. I'm also so excited to meet everyone. So,
correct,
yes.
correct. It's lovely to have you, and it's like I was so excited from the morning that that we'll be having, but it was
Thank
really.
you.
So just to start, 32 millions. That is in just 3 days, which is almost 3.2 CRs in the song. Like this is really crazy. This is
it's
insane.
massive, and I want to thank each one of you. I'm sure you guys have seen the song by now, and जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है, go and tune into Tanhai. But बहुत overwhelming response है, and when I'm reading the comment section also, and the reason why I wanted to connect with I'm doing live sessions with a lot of universities, and Chitkara being one of them. I am very happy because this song is actually from the pop rock genre, but at the same time it has a very college and a very youth and a very performance vibe to it. So I'm definitely missing performing like on ground for all of you, but वो नहीं हो सकता अभी, we all know, because of this current ongoing pandemic, but definitely I can interact with all you people right here.
Correct. And trust me, like I was asking to all the people that किस-किसने सुना, almost many of them had listened to the song. And
Lovely.
so and the best part is जब Corona खत्म हो रहा है, and with Corona ending we have your song, which is amazing.
Like, I know we're all praying अब Corona खत्म हो जाए. अभी we've had enough.
Yes. Correct.
Windows enough. Colleges काफी time से बंद हैं. I'm sure everyone's waiting for all the masti, because I know जब back to back आप काम कर रहे होते हो या college जा रहे हो, you want a break. पर अब वो break हमें जो मिला by chance बहुत ही लंबा मिल गया है. So I'm sure everybody's waiting to get back to college and to get bounce back.
Correct. So, just to go ahead, so there was a time where every singer, celebrity, artist, performer was, they had, as you said, कि gap था, right? And people were not able to go out and perform. College festivals नहीं हो रहे थे, concerts बंद थे. So कोई artist का वो एक आता है ना, artistic block आता है, and some of the artists got that time into creating the original and compositions. So what was your take? मतलब जो gap था जब no artists were able to move out and perform. So how did you utilize that period of COVID?
I think वही time था when I kind of started working on all the songs. I think that's
okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you hear me clearly?
We can. I guess everyone can hear her, right?
Guys, you have to tell me in the comments. You can hear me clearly, right? All right. So yeah, I think lockdown period. If I look at the good side of it, I've gotten a lot of time to spend with my music and to work on newer songs for all of you, and that's the reason why lockdown May, if you see in the independent space, we've had a lot of songs that were released, and for me, I released a couple of tracks like Tere Naal, Naam, the reprise version of Naam, and now Tanhai. So there was a lot of time to connect with your work, so I could connect with a lot of people on call. So काफी कुछ ऑनलाइन हुआ है. इनफैक्ट इसके डब्स भी दिल्ली से हुए, तन्हाई के भी, मेरे बाकी सॉन्ग्स के भी. बट बहुत आई थिंक इट्स बिन अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस because I've learned so many new things in the lockdown. I've learned to record myself. I've kind of become independent on that front, and even shooting a music video because we shot from home couple of music videos. तन्हाई तो हमने पूरा शूट अभी 10-15 दिन पहले किया है, बट लॉकडाउन में ऐसे काफी सॉन्ग्स हुए हैं जो मैंने लॉकडाउन के रूल्स फॉलो करते हुए हमने शूट किए हैं, एंड इवन नाउ दिस सॉन्ग एज वेल. So yeah, it's been an enriching and a learning experience this entire lockdown.
That's really great, because ऐसे टाइम पे यूजुअली एक हर कोई अगर पॉजिटिवली इस चीज को लेगा, सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ फ्रूटफुल थिंग. आपने यूटिलाइजिंग दैट टाइम इन अ वेरी राइट मैनर, एंड इट्स.
Absolutely. And even all the students and others who are watching me here, I think we have time, and right now it's the best time to connect with what you love, maybe your passion, maybe you want to play an instrument, or you want to focus on some form of art जो आपको वैसे करने का time नहीं मिलता है. So I think this is the
Correct.
best time to kind of connect with yourselves.
And the tagline is like of Chitkara City is that all our dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. So guys, I guess this is the right time as Tulsi,
Absolutely.
follow your dream and do the best of this time. Actually, just one question. As you said that ye song doesn't pehle shoot hua hai, and if I just see the opening frame of the song, it's with crowd, massive crowd. So how did you manage that? Like, what was the experience, and
You
how
know,
was it possible?
technically, we are very advanced these days, and of course, we've shot, in different slots. So I think technically, a lot of things can be done nowadays,
Oh,
and we've
yeah,
made use of that. We've kept that as an advantage and made use of that in the video. So yeah.
that's so lovely, and it looks
We've
so real.
absolutely followed all the rules, even while shooting Tanhai. We've had limited staff. We've had masks on. We've had proper sanitizations. We've had proper temperature check of the entire staff. It's shooting a music video has become a much lengthier and a tougher process. But I think we're all kicked about working, so we're all doing it, and kind of so that you guys can watch and get entertained with our music. And it's
Definitely.
all worth it because of the kind of love, when you get love for your work, then everything's worth it.
So it's all in all, I feel that it was a great, fun part for you shooting Tanhai's song. And when we listen to your song, you have done all sorts of songs, like from love, dubstep, like all genre of song. So if I ask you, what is the genre you really love to always go up with? So what
You
is
know,
your
the romantic zone or the sad romantic zone is a zone where my name was is usually attached with. But
Yes.
since the last 2-3 years, I've experimented with different genres, and even dance tracks like Osaki Saki, or a track like Any Sony, which was again had a very popish vibe to it. It was फिल्म के लिए था गाना, but उसकी composition वैसी थी. And yeah, I've experimented a lot with my tone and the scale in which I'm singing. So
Okay.
the high pitched songs, of course, mostly the romantic songs are more towards the sweeter and the mellow side. But with Tanhai, I've gone all out and kind of experimented yet a newer zone altogether. I don't think there are many pop rock kind of songs that females have done. I'm sure लड़कों ने बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे heartbreak गाने किए हैं. But the fact is that the girls का सबसे ज़्यादा heartbreak होता है. So I've given the girls, especially all the girls, an anthem that they can kind of vibe to, perform to, and yeah.
That's so
Tanhai
lovely.
is all about. Tanhai is actually also, अगर आप म्यूजिक वीडियो देखेंगे तो इसको एक नेगेटिव नोट पे नहीं लेके गए हैं. There is a realization that comes within the girl. Of course, she's heartbroken and she's been cheated on, and she's upset. Like I'm sure सब ऐसी situation से go through. हम सब ने किया है कभी ना कभी. But the
Yes.
whole point is how she bounces back. Not because she gets some other guy or something, but when she just looks outside in the world, she just realizes that there is much more that's going on in the outside world, and her sorrows or her loneliness is not even a percentage of that. So she just gets that kick and she realizes and she bounces back to her passion.
Such a lovely song coming from you with such a good vibes and positive vibe. It's really, really, pleasure to the ears to listen to that song. And I'm sure everyone
Thank you.
here, and when I joined,
I'll take in few names before and please guys, I'm here for all of you, so please ask me any questions that you all want to know, anything about me, about the
yeah,
song Tanhai. So yeah, there are a lot of people. Princess Fuzzy says, just addicted to your song. Thank you guys. You guys have given such massive love. that hi Nirali Ahir, hi Priyal, hi Banish. I hope I'm saying that correct. 199 Kavita Goswami. Lots of love.
Okay, so the request
ब्रेकअप
by
हो गया क्या? Somebody is asking me ब्रेकअप हो गया. नहीं
so there's a
ब्रेकअप मतलब अभी अभी तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ऐसा कुछ बट ब्रेकअप हुआ है ना लाइफ में किसका नहीं होता एंड नॉट जस्ट अ ब्रेकअप या यू नो बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस होते हैं आपकी लाइफ में दैट काइंड ऑफ लीव अ वॉइड और लीव दैट एम्प्टीनेस और लोनलीनेस इन यू सो गोइंग बैक टू दैट आई हैव you know taken that feel from there and kind of rendered the song so yeah.
Okay, so talking about the solo singing, like you've been there as a solo singer in the song, and so how it is like, doing a duet song and doing a solo song. So how does that makes a difference for you as an artist?
See, collaborations are a different experience altogether, and doing a complete solo single is a completely different experience, and both are fun. In a collaboration, you get to mix two good sides of two artists, and in my previous songs, I have done that. For Tere Naal, I collaborated with Darshan Rawal, and for Naam,
Mhm.
I did a collaboration with Milan Gaba. So, I the whole process made me learn a lot of newer things. And when you come together with another artist, you just learn so many things from that artist also. So
Correct.
the that process is that, and when you do a single, it's like a complete solo vision of how you have visualized yourself as
Correct.
a complete persona when you're also projecting yourself on screen because you're also featuring in your music video. So that connect is altogether different, and I feel that a lot of aspects of your personality when you come out with a single also come out in the song if you're involved in it right from start. So for me,
Correct.
doing independent music means that it has to be a very learning process, and every step needs to have the artist involved. So that is very very important. That also brings you very close to your song,
Okay.
and
That's
it also
actually
kind of connects with the audiences at a different level.
correct. Because I am sure you have so many fans involving me in the top.
Thank you.
You would always want to,
Sorry, I just lost your voice. Can we tell
uh,
them to reduce the volume? Sorry. Yeah.
yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm audible now, right? Yeah. So, yeah,
Yeah.
so talking about the solo and duet thing, so I've you've performed with, sing with so many, artists, male artists, female artists. एक ऐसा कोई नाम जिनके साथ आप काम करना चाहो और you're still willing to work with that singer, with that artist. So, what would be that name?
I really want to work with, it's a big name, A.R. Rahman sir. I think
Ah,
I
that's
really feel he does very different kind of music. And another name that I really want to work with is Mithun. He's also a dear friend, and I think his music really touches me. So whatever he does, kind of all his songs that are done by him are my personal favorites. So yeah, these are the two.
So talking about the music producer of Tanahai, what do you want to tell about them? Like, how was the experience working with Sachin Parampara? Like,
Sachin
how?
Parampara are so full of new ideas. They have so much. They're a talented duo. Like they both together are like fire. And when I started work on Tanhai, I remember I just made one phone call. मैंने Delhi से Sachin Parampara. I made my first phone call and I just gave them my pointers that this is what this space of a song I'm looking at. And I think within a week, they sent me a scratch of the song. And that's how the whole process began. Then we exchanged ideas and we kind of, jammed together online. We did a lot of multiple jam sessions online. And that's how Tanhai kind of shaped up, because I also dubbed this song from Delhi. So every change in the recording, every little minute detail, because when you hear this song, and I'm getting that a lot from the audiences, that I'm sounding extremely different from what I have sounded in my previous songs. But that was also very, very important. And I think for an artist to show the versatile side of themselves, I think you have to experiment with newer fields, and that's only possible when you're doing a single, like in independent music. Otherwise, films, you usually get the same zone of songs, because usually films have a romantic song, a dance track. There's a set thing. But yeah, here I got this opportunity, and it took me time, but I really am getting a lot of love and appreciation that people are liking me in the whole new avatar of, whether it's my vocals, whether it's my presence on screen. So yeah, a lot of love coming in.
Like we can see a lot of love coming from here as well. And
Yes, here as well, I see a lot of hearts, a lot of comments coming in.
yeah. So, to go about, we really want you to sing at least two, three lines for Tanai, and we are really excited to listen you live on that song. So, if you could sing two, three
Yes,
lines,
I will
that
sing a few lines, and to hear and watch the whole song, you guys have to go to the T Series YouTube channel. So yes.
definitely, definitely.
Okay, is Parampara also here? I just read in the comments. Parampara, are you here? A special jam for all of you. टूटा है बहुत ये दिल मेरा, आंसू है बड़ी तन्हाई है, जब से तेरी बाहों में हमें आने की हुई मनाई है। So I see Parampara, the amazing composer duo, Sachit and Parampara. Parampara Thapar is here with us. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. And everyone's loving the song, loving everything about it. And I'm missing you guys here. I wish I could take them in the live right now, but
Really wish. And in 3 days it's 3.2 CR, and I'm sure it's gonna hit the numbers, which is,
yeah, I'm sure it's gonna grow even much bigger, because I think with everybody's love and everybody loving the entire track, we're gonna get more and more love from all you guys, right? All
yes.
of you at
And
Chitkara University, thank you. You guys have been Actually, a lot of people are getting emotional. I was seeing a few YouTube reaction videos. People kind of do their reaction videos on YouTube. So I saw this girl crying after, there's a video on YouTube. So this girl, after seeing the song, she's trying to review the song, and she actually had tears in her eyes. So it really feels very overwhelming when you can evoke those emotions in the audiences. So yeah, extremely
I can,
cute.
as an artist, it's always.
I think I lost your voice in the middle.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm audible now?
Yeah.
So, the best part as an artist is when you are able to convey your emotions through your art or through your song. That is the best, I guess that's the best feeling any artist can have, by getting the crowds, the users' reaction to your art.
Absolutely. That's right. It's this video, and it really touched me. And the way people also, they've started covering the song in their own ways. So seeing the kind of, they've connected with it on a personal level. So that gives me immense happiness.
Yes. And the time I joined live, I just started the live from Chitkara University page. There were, in the starting 5-10 messages, they were wanted to listen Naal song. And trust me, when
Which
you
one?
said,
Tere Naal or Naam?
Tere Naal.
Tere Naal.
Tere Naal. Yeah. So, and that's one of the loving song. Like I listen to that every day almost, and
I'll hum a few lines of Tere Naal. I'll just.
so if you can sing 2 lines of Tere Naal also, please, would be great.
I'll just do it. So I'll just hum a few lines of Tere Naal.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, somebody wants to know your tattoo is real. Yes, of course. You can see it, right? Now keep guessing if it's real or this is like a costume art that we did for the song Tanhai. So keep guessing real hai ya nahi hai. Dekh lo. All right. No, let me just take it in. सांस लेती हूँ तो तेरा ही एहसास होता है, एहसास होता है, दूर होके भी हर लम्हा तू मेरे पास होता है, मेरे पास होता है, तेरे बिन एक दिन न गुजरे कैसे बीतेंगे न जाने साल है दिल का ये हाल. Everybody sing with me. तेरे नाल जीना मैनू तेरे नाल मरना मैनू तेरे नाल, तेरे नाल, तेरे नाल जीना मैनू तेरे नाल मरना मैनू तेरे नाल, तेरे नाल. That was Tere Naal for all of you, and I have to say we had Amal Malik on the live and he's just commented. Sorry if I skipped your message while singing Tulsi super song. I'm dying giving bites, so I haven't. Thank you so much. I know what it is to give bites and to promote the song after its release, so that's like a different game altogether. But thanks Amal for giving your love to Tanhai and sharing your appreciation for this one. And
yes. And Pragat Prapti Singh, that Tere Naal is one of their favorite song, and it is your listeners, like when I as a user I listen it to every day, like without skipping my even a single day. I listen to the song
I think
religiously.
it has a very soothing factor to it, and I'll have to give a shout out to Darshan Rawal for that. I think he's composed the song very, very beautifully, and I remember when the first scratch, that also we kind of had our jam sessions over the phone only. So वो तो pure lockdown में record भी हुआ और shoot भी हुआ. Like we released it in May, so we were like in a complete lockdown that time, and we shot like in one go, like with one person on just like a phone camera and stuff. So yeah, I think Tere Naal will always be special, and yeah, it's a beautiful melody, and yeah, I remember that when Darshan sent me the scratch, I said, it feels as if it's tailor made as per his and my vocals. So that is the thing that really, really worked for Tere Naal.
And literally, listening to you, it's always a pleasure to the ears, and I'm sure there's so much.
Okay, we have Roaring Bullet, and they're saying we love Tanhai. Thank you guys. Thank you, Roaring Bullet, for having me to connect with all the universities and these live sessions, organizing these live sessions, because they're helping me connect with all my fans all across India. So that's really, really great. Thank you, Chitkara, and thank you, Rolling Bullet.
A big shout out to Rolling Bullet and Chitkara University for so that we could have you here, and it was a lovely, lovely time. And trust me, guys, everyone gonna you have to watch the song Tanhai after we cut this end. And
go and watch the song, go and give it all your love, comment, like the video, and do your own covers. I think I love seeing you guys putting your own versions, whether it's a dance cover or an instrumental or a singing cover, whatever, or you just want to enact it on reels. That's also very, very interesting to see. You'll see one of my reels coming up today on my Instagram, so check that out. It's on Tanhai.
That's nice. Okay, so we have an announcement of the reel, guys. So you have to check out that song, and it's coming from Tulsi itself that you can make covers of it. So just go
Yes,
for it.
I will be sharing the best ones on, and there are a lot of giveaways also for the winners of the covers. So guys, let us see your talent and send in everything that you can do with Tanhai.
Yes, yes, yes. And again, it was a lovely, lovely having you here.
Thank
It's so
you.
to you.
Thank you so
And
much. Thank you for having me, and lots of love to all of y'all who are watching me.
yeah, and big wishes to Tanai so that it reaches the numbers as much as
Thank
it
you.
can.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you.
So guys, this was Tulsi
Bye.
Kumar with us. Give a huge, huge shout out for her. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
All right, guys. So this was Tulsi Kumar, and as I said, her song is out, Tanahi. You can watch, listen that on T Series YouTube channel. So this was me, Vijay Ami, and thank you so much to Chatkara University for having me here and having Tulsi Kumar here with us. And it was lovely, guys. So much love from your end. It's always a pleasure connecting to youth. It's always a pleasure hosting any, it may be virtual, maybe on ground event. It's always a fun time, and I hope सबके colleges जल्दी जल्दी खुल जाएं. And see you guys soon. Till then, lots of love and work hard, achieve your aim, achieve your goals, and do not forget to listen to Tanai. And thank you so much, Rolling Bullet, for having us here. So, guys, this was me, VJ Ami, signing out, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye, guys. Lots of love. Cheers.